So, if you remember in the last video, I explained my plans of what I intended to do. And I showed a video of this monstrosity. Today I'm going to attempt to clean it out. In typical ADHD fashion, I'm going to try to do it slowly and lose my train of thought continuously. Just kidding. I'm going to see how fast I could do it and if I can keep my attention focused. So I'm going to put my tunes on. I'm going to get to it. Alright, first half is done. And for any of you struggling with focus can understand how difficult that could have been. So now I'm going to hit that section heading back, and I'll time lapse that so you don't have to sit here and watch the whole thing. But the question I keep beating myself up about is, what am I going to do with it? And once I have everything out and cleared, what am I going to do? I'm just going to have a big pile of junk out here. It's got to go back in. Question is, how should it go back in? That's the struggle, staying focused enough, one piece at a time, to put it in its place, and then remembering to put it back in its place after I'm done using it, which we all know is the main struggle. So without further ado, let's get back to the show. So I got a pile of junk here. And you can see my pile of junk here. Get a better idea of what it looks like inside the mess. That's the most organized part of this whole room. Then you can see here, I hung these cabinets, put the TV up. I put plywood in the back of the wall. And I started emptying boxes, and it just turned into this. I figured, let me start opening some bins and boxes and emptying stuff out. Yeah, well, that's what I got. I put these cabinets in. I put the tops on everything. So that's the struggle. As we remember this stuff that I bought the other day and I was so excited about, and here it is. sitting here. Ugh. I'll get to it. And this is going to be a future video. If you know, you know. So let me set you back up. All right, here is the finished result. It's dark out and there are mosquitoes everywhere, so the garage door is closed. I figured you didn't want to see me sitting here going through bin by bin by bin. But so right here, this is like tool stuff that I gotta put away. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. See, I use the Milwaukee blower today. Now here, this is random junk, but a lot of it is stuff that my wife and all the kids got to go through and see what they want, see what they don't want. But I got rid of about 8 boxes and some garbage, but that's all already in the back of my truck. Some things got to go in the shed, like that. But yeah, so it's all, it's better than it was. I can move around, and I really don't like this view of this camera. How's that? Whoa, I'm moving too fast. I'm gonna get myself sick. My wife's gonna hate it. So yeah, that's basically, no, you know what? I gotta go back. Yeah, whatever. We're almost done. So gotta go through here, and I pulled a lot of stuff out and kind of put it all in bins, got rid of boxes, got rid of junk, and then the rest of it is kind of their stuff and my stuff, and whatever. And see what's going to go into garbage, see what's going to be a donation. So we'll have to figure that all out. And then, like I said, over on this side, this is just kind of tool stuff that needs to be put away on my end. Good luck. We'll see how that works out. But at least I can get through. I can move, and I can actually get to my tools to do something if I need to. So that's about it. And like I said, I didn't think you guys wanted to sit here while I went through bins and boxes and pulled out clothing and stuff like that. So I figured I'd just show you the aftermath of the destruction. But obviously, it's a lot better than it was. So rock on, and have a great day.